Do you see that? So you can see it. You can see it right a bit, right? Look at that. This is the demon tree pronouncing. Chess! Na-remember, guys, na-remember niyo yung trinap ko si Chase na part 1? Hindi ko nasulat part 1, pero, teka lang guys, naalala niyo yun? Teka lang, Chase, naalala yung part 1? Yung ginawa ko, gagawa ko ulit. Pero upload ko po na yung video na yung part 2, part 4 to. Okay, let's back to video. Ito na guys, tignan ng Chase. Makikita na sa Chase. Video lang to. Para ba, guys, comment down below ko pag okay, nakalabas na siya. Hindi ko pa rin guys, tingnan nyo, di pa rin siya makalabas. Okay. Gogi, nahulog. Okay guys, okay. Si ano to, Pebble. Si Pebble. Joke lang, si Chase lang to. Sana pangalan niya Pebble. Okay, let's